Hi, and hope you are doing well. There is a topic that I wanted to talk about, and I think this is something that might be affecting you, and it affects a lot of people. And I think that it is important also to maybe find simple solutions that you can incorporate in your everyday life so you can make it a lifestyle and also just enjoy the multiple benefits that when you take care of one thing can actually do, because then it becomes like a ripple effect and there's many other things that start functioning better. So there are between 250 and 350 joints in our body, in the human body, and yet often you don't think, or we don't think about the importance of our joints and how to keep them healthy. So we are mostly just aware of other things, and maybe sometimes aches and pains become something normal and we get used to the pains and we stop paying attention to them. But the good thing is that there's a lot of foods that can actually help you improve your joint health. So these are actually fantastic foods for optimal joint health that you can incorporate every day. But also remember that it is very important that before you make any changes, you talk to your doctor, especially if you're taking medication or if you are experiencing very, very bad pain that is not allowing you to do the things that you like to do. And that is something that does not go away. But I wanted to share some of the simple foods that you can actually incorporate so you can start experiencing better joint health. So number one is sweet peppers. Sweet peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps absorb a lot of nutrients and also help your body to produce collagen. So vitamin C is very, very important. And sweet peppers are actually packed with vitamin C. Another one is cruciferous vegetables. This is actually one of the foods that is very, very extensive. You have a lot of different ones that you can choose and pick from. And there's also many, many different benefits that you can experience from eating more vegetables. So some of the ones that are recommended are broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, bok choy. And these are things that you can always have it in different ways, saute, maybe baked in the oven, or just use them in a salad and just make it a routine. So these are some of the ones that I recommend that you can maybe start introducing into your everyday diet. Another one is fatty fish, which is packed with omega-3. So fatty fish includes salmon, also oil fish, and there's one food that actually also has omega-3. If you do not eat fish, you can also introduce spirulina, which is the number 4, which is part of the microalgae foods. So these are algae that are in the ocean. They are usually used in sushi. So if you're someone who likes sushi, that sheet of green wrapping, kind of like texture that you see around the sushi, is actually spirulina. It's an algae. You can also use it in, maybe find it in a powder form or in capsules. And this is amazing for omegas. It's also good for your sugar and also for your joints. So those two are really, really good. Fatty acids from fish for omega-3 and microalgae, including spirulina. It's a very good one. Another one is cherries and berries. Cherries are actually amazing to decrease uric acid, which helps you with joint pains. And berries are also great because they are packed with anti-inflammatory properties. So it can help you lower inflammation if you have joint inflammation. The other one is onions. And if you eat them raw, maybe in a salad or just slightly saute, they're actually more potent and better. And the most recommended ones are red and yellow onions. You can use them in salads, maybe making fajitas, use them in different dishes. And this is something that also gives a lot of flavor to your food. And the last one is nuts and seeds. Some of the most common ones that are also most recommended are walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds. All of these are packed with, like proteins, anti-inflammatory properties. They also have anti-cancer properties, and also very, very nutritious and filling, which makes you feel satisfied, and also help you feel good in general. So those are some of the foods that are recommended. But like I said, if you are someone who is experiencing, unbearable pain, it is very important, or chronic pain that does not go away, it is very important that you consult your doctor first, and you make sure that you get on a plan or also get diagnosed and checked to make sure where the pain is coming from. And along with all these foods, it is also very, very important that you incorporate exercise. It could be any kind of movement. If you do experience some joint, like sensitivity, or you do get joint pains, it is important that you keep it low impact. Maybe walking, maybe swimming, doing yoga, Pilates, maybe just doing some weights while sitting down, and avoiding to do anything that incorporates maybe jumping or punching or anything that is high impact, so you can lower the pain, and gradually just decrease the pain and the discomfort. And also, while eating these healthy foods, you can just improve your health and your joint health, so you can feel better and stronger every day. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you get to try some of these foods and gradually improve your joint health. Have a great week.